All right, so I'll start with our adjudicated awards and then move on to our high point awards, starting with number 76 from Kitty Lee Dance. Grace, dancing to Power of Love, receives a high gold. Number 77 from Dance Etc. Terrence, dancing to Falling Slowly, receives a gold. 78 from Studio One Dance School, Gretchen, dancing to Near Light, receives a high silver. 79 from Amanda's Academy of Dance, Gina, dancing to Let Me In, receives a high silver. Number 80 from Larkin Dance Studio, Katie, dancing to Alabaster Box, receives a high gold. Number 81 from Northern Force Dance Company, Marissa, dancing All I Want, receives a high gold. Number 83 from Central Dance Academy, Gretchen, dancing to Equilibration, receives a gold. 84 from Dance Center Dancers, Anna, dancing to And Then, receives a gold. Number 85 from Studio 4, Libby, dancing to All That Jazz, receives a gold. Number 86 from Robbins School of Dance, Callie, dancing to 20th Century Fox, Mambo, receives a high silver. 87 from Underground Dance Factory, Peyton, dancing to Manipulation, receives a high gold. Number 88 from Woodbury Dance Center, Zach, dancing to End of the Affair, receives a high gold. 89 from Larkin Dance Studio, Lexus, dancing to Reflections. Ladies and gentlemen, we have our first DJ's pick of this session. Congratulations. Number 90 from Dance Etc. Peyton, dancing to Poison, receives a gold. 91 from Studio One Dance School, Emma, dancing to Not About Angels, receives a high silver. Number 92 from Amanda's Academy of Dance, Olivia, dancing to My Heart Is Open, receives a high silver. 93 from Gotta Dance, Ellie, dancing to I See Fire, receives a gold. 94 from JPDS, Kaylee, dancing to Rare Bird, receives a high silver. 95 from Northland School of Dance, McKaylin, dancing to Goodbye, receives a high gold. 96 from Northern Force Dance Company, Riley, dancing to Words as Weapons, receives a high gold. 97 from North Shore Academy of Dance, Emma, dancing to Release, receives a high gold. 98 from Platinum Dance Center, Cameron, dancing to Gold Digger, receives a gold. Number 100 from Studio 4, Jennifer, dancing to Watching Me Work, receives a gold. 101 from Studio A Dance Company, Allie, dancing to Strange Bird, receives a gold. 103 from Marietta Dance Project, Victoria, dancing to Total Eclipse, receives a high gold. 104 from Robbins School of Dance and Maddie, dancing to Yellow Flicker Beat, receives a gold. Number 105 from Larkin Dance Studio, Ashley, dancing to Found, receives a DJ's pick. All right, moving on to number 106 from Northern Force Dance Company. Taya, dancing to Elephants, receives a high gold. 107 from Amanda's Academy of Dance, Elizabeth, dancing to Wake Me Up, receives a high silver. 108 from Studio One Dance School, Kylie, dancing to Soon Will Be Found, receives a high silver. 109 from Amanda's Academy of Dance, Alexa, dancing to Showstopper, receives a high silver. Number 110 from Central Dance Academy, Dylan, dancing to There Is Hope, receives a gold. Number 111 from Red River Dance, Ella, dancing to Everywhere I Go, receives a gold. Number 112 from Music General, Savannah, dancing to Hotel California, receives a high gold. 114 from Northland School of Dance, Olivia, dancing to Lessons, receives a high gold. 115 from Northern Force Dance Company, Kiki, dancing to No Light, receives a high gold. 117 from Studio 5, Kaja, dancing to Spread a Little Love, receives a high silver. 118 from Northland School of Dance, Laura, dancing to Smile, receives a high gold. 119 from Club Dance Studio, Kalani, dancing to Video Games, receives a DJ's pick. Number 120 from Amanda's Academy of Dance, Oregon, dancing to What Now, receives a high silver. Number 121 from Amanda's Academy of Dance, Annika, dancing to You Can't Take Me, receives a high silver. 122 from Northern Force Dance Company, Grace dancing to Coming to an End receives a high gold. Number 123 from Music General, Naraya dancing to Fire receives a high gold. 124 from Underground Dance Factory, Abigail dancing to Time receives a high gold. 125 from Dance Etc. Dust receives a high silver. 126 registered independently, Bird Machine receives a gold. Number 127 from Ballerinas Dance Studio, Sista receives a gold. Number 128 from Larkin Dance Studio, Twice receives a DJ's pick. 129 from Dance Etc. Lose Your Soul receives a high silver. 130 from Woodbury Dance Center, Foe receives a high gold. 131 registered independently, Toxic receives a gold. 132 from Dance Etc. Shake and Pop receives a high silver. 133 from Dance Etc. Sweet Disposition receives a high silver. 134 from Studio 4, Go Your Own Way receives a high gold. 135 from Underground Dance Factory, 1 Million Starts With One receives a high gold. 136 from Larkin Dance Studio, Taylor dancing to Broken receives a DJ's pick. 138 registered independently, Jackie dancing to White, Blank Page receives a high silver. 139 from Studio X, Kayla dancing to I'm In Here receives a gold. 141 from Northland School of Dance, Taylor dancing to New York receives a high gold. 141 from Larkin Dance Studio, Kenzie dancing to the End receives a high gold. 142 from Studio 1 Dance School, Samantha dancing to Mint receives a high silver. 143 from Studio 1 Dance School, Lily dancing to Gone receives a high gold. 144 from Dance Center Dancers, Alexa dancing to Headliner receives a high silver. 145 from Ballerina Dance Studio, Mackenzie dancing to Elephant in the Room receives a gold. 146 from Studio 1 Dance School, Lexi dancing to Heart receives a gold. 148 from North Shore Academy of Dance, Peyton dancing to How Will I Know receives a high gold. 149 from Underground Dance Project, Shay dancing to Shattered receives a gold. 150 from Central Dance Academy, Madison dancing to Anything Could Happen receives a gold. 151 from the Dance Warehouse, Serena dancing to Bang receives a gold. 153 from Northland School of Dance, Tyrena dancing to Snow receives a high gold. 154 from Dance Etc. Donica dancing to Black Widow receives a high silver. 156 from Amanda's Academy of Dance, Denica dancing to Animals receives a high silver. 157 from Northland School of Dance, Alex dancing to Open Hands receives a high gold. 158 from Dance Center Dancers, Emma dancing to Sunset receives a gold. 159 from Northern Forest Dance Company, Elizabeth dancing to Holland Road receives a high gold. 160 from Dance Center Dancers, Stephanie dancing to May You receives a high gold. 161 from Robin School of Dance, April dancing to Chance receives a gold. 162 registered independently, Chantel dancing to By the Grace of God receives a gold. 163 from Woodbury Dance Center, Isabel dancing to Fall receives a DJ's pick. 164 from Ballerina Dance Studio, Alicia dancing to Love in a Box receives a high silver. 165 from Northern Force Dance Company, Meredith dancing to Wicked Game receives a high gold. 166 from Dance Etc. Kate dancing to Stars receives a gold. 167 from Studio 1 Dance School, Emily dancing to Without a Word receives a gold. 168 from Amanda's Academy of Dance, Rosie dancing to My Skin receives a high silver. Number 170 from Central Dance Academy, Paige dancing to Latch receives a gold. 171 from Northland School of Dance, Michaela dancing to Earth receives a high gold. 172 from Larkin Dance Studio, In Our Tears receives a high gold. Number 173 from Dance Center Dancers, The Finish Line, receives a gold. And last but not least, number 174 from Larkin Dance Studio, Good versus Evil, receives a DJ's pick. All right, we're gonna move on to our top 10 teen solos. So guys, we're gonna announce from 10 to 1. You're gonna line up from 10th place all the way down to first place from stage left to center into stage right. So, 10th place overall teen solo. That award goes to Olivia dancing to Lessons from Northland School of Dance. We have a tie for 9th place overall. The first award in 9th place goes to Marissa dancing to All I Want from Northern Forest Dance Company. Also in 9th place, give it up for Grace dancing to Power of Love, Kitty Lee Dance. We have a 3-way tie for 8th place overall. The first award in 8th place goes to Emma dancing to Release from North Shore Academy of Dance. Also in 8th place, that goes to Savannah dancing to Hotel California from Music General. And rounding out 8th place overall, that goes to Kiki dancing to No Light from Northern Forest Dance Company. 7th place overall is awarded to Peyton dancing to Manipulation from Underground Dance Factory. And we have a 3-way tie for 6th place. The first award in 6th place overall goes to Laura dancing to Smile from Northland School of Dance. Also 6th place award going to Abigail dancing to Time from Underground Dance Factory. And rounding out 6th place overall, give it up for Katie dancing to Alabaster Box from Larkin Dance Studio. 5th place overall goes to Grace dancing to Coming to an End from Northern Forest Dance Company. 4th place overall is awarded to Taya dancing to Elephants from Northern Forest Dance Company. Here we go with our top 3. 3rd place overall is awarded to Zach dancing to The End of the Affair from Woodbury Dance Center. And we have a 2-way tie for 2nd place overall in our top 3. The first award in 2nd place goes to Lexus dancing to Reflections from Larkin Dance Studio. Also in 2nd place, that award goes to Ashley dancing to Found from Larkin Dance Studio. Which means your highest scoring teen solo in 1st place is awarded to Kalani dancing to Video Games from Club Dance Studio. Congratulations. Great job, guys. One more time for our top 10, our top 3, and our winning soloists. Great job, guys. Nice work. And can we have one more round of applause for all of our teen soloists? Great job today. Thank you so much. Have a seat, guys. Nice work. All right, moving on to our teen duo trios. We'll be doing the top 3 in our teen division duo trio. So 3rd place overall teen duo trio is awarded to 1 Million Starts With One from Underground Dance Factory is 3rd place overall. 2nd place overall teen duo trio is awarded to Foe from Woodbury Dance Center. And the highest scoring teen duo trio in 1st place is awarded to Twice from Larkin Dance Studio. Great job. Ladies and gentlemen, those are your top 3 teen duo trios. Great job. And can we have one more round of applause for all of our teen duo trios today? Nice work. You're welcome. All right, moving on to our top 10 senior solos, starting in 10th place. 10th place overall senior solo goes to Shay dancing to Shattered from Underground Dance Project, 10th overall. 9th place overall, we have a tie. First award in 9th place goes to Tyrina dancing to Snow from Northland School of Dance. Also in 9th place, give it up for Stephanie dancing to May Yu from Dance Center Dancers. 8th place overall, we have a 2-way tie as well. The first award in 8th place goes to Lily dancing to Gone from Studio One Dance School. Also in 8th place, that award goes to Elizabeth dancing to Holland Road from Northern Forest Dance Company. Also a 2-way tie for 7th overall. The first award in 7th overall goes to Meredith dancing to Wicked Game from Northern Forest Dance Company. And rounding out 7th place overall, give it up for Peyton dancing to How Will I Know from North Shore Academy of Dance. 6th overall is awarded to Taylor dancing to New York from Northland School of Dance. 5th place overall goes to Alex dancing to Open Hands from Northland School of Dance. And 4th overall, give it up for Michaela dancing to Earth from Northland School of Dance. All right, here we go with our top three. Top three senior solos. In 3rd place overall, that award goes to Kenzie dancing to the End from Larkin Dance Studio. 2nd place overall, senior solo is awarded to Isabel dancing to Fault from Woodbury Dance Center. Which means your highest scoring senior solo in 1st place goes to Taylor dancing to Broken from Larkin Dance Studio. Congratulations, nice work. Great job, congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, your top 10, your top 3, and your winner for this evening. Great job. One more round of applause for all of our senior soloists tonight as well. Thanks so much, guys. You can have a seat. Thank you, thank you. All right, senior duo trio starting in 3rd place. 3rd place overall, senior duo trio is awarded to The Finish Line from Dance Center Dancers. 2nd place overall senior duo trio is awarded to In Our Tears from Larkin Dance Studio. And the highest scoring senior duo trio in 1st place is awarded to Good versus Evil from Larkin Dance Studio. Congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, those are your top 3 senior duo trios. Give it up for all of our senior duo trios who dance tonight as well. That does it for competition. We have an early night tonight. Get some rest. We will see you bright and early in the morning. Thanks so much, everybody, for being here. We will see you bright and early. Thank you, thank you.